Best beginner motorcycle Harley-Davidson Street. When it comes to iconic motorcycles, Harley-Davidson is a name that resonates with riders of all levels. For beginners taking their first steps into the world of motorcycling, the Harley-Davidson Street Series stands out as a compelling choice. In this comprehensive article, we will explore why the Harley-Davidson Street is a fantastic option for novice riders. We'll delve into its features, performance capabilities, urban appeal, and the unique riding experience it offers. Harley-Davidson, a legendary legacy. Harley-Davidson, an American motorcycle manufacturer with over a century of history, is synonymous with freedom, adventure, and the open road. It's a brand that evokes a deep sense of nostalgia and excitement among riders worldwide. The Street Series, entry-level excellence. The Harley-Davidson Street Series is designed to cater to riders seeking a perfect entry point into the Harley-Davidson experience. These bikes offer an ideal combination of approachability and Harley-Davidson's unmistakable style. A heart with character. Powering the Harley-Davidson Street is a lively V-twin engine, available in various displacements, including 500cc and 750cc. This engine configuration delivers a distinctive and engaging riding experience that sets it apart from other entry-level motorcycles. Classic Harley-Davidson styling. The Street Series carries the classic Harley-Davidson styling cues, from the teardrop fuel tank to the iconic V-twin engine configuration. This gives these bikes a timeless and unmistakable presence on the road. Easy to handle. Weighing in at around 500 pounds, 227 kilograms, fully fueled, the Street Series motorcycles are manageable for beginners. Their compact dimensions and low seat height make them easy to control, instilling confidence in new riders. Smooth and predictable power delivery. The V-twin engine of the Street Series provides smooth and predictable power delivery, which is essential for novice riders. It offers accessible low-end torque, making it suitable for city commuting and highway cruising. Urban friendly. The Street Series is designed with urban riding in mind. Its nimble handling, comfortable riding posture, and low-end power make it well suited for navigating through city traffic and tight streets. Comfortable for all-day rides. Harley-Davidson places a premium on rider comfort, and the Street Series is no exception. Its ergonomically designed seat and rider-friendly controls ensure that you can enjoy long rides without discomfort. Customization options. One of the hallmarks of Harley-Davidson motorcycles is the ability to customize and personalize your ride. The Street Series offers a range of accessories and parts, allowing you to make your bike truly your own. Joining the Harley-Davidson community. Riding a Harley-Davidson Street isn't just about transportation, it's an invitation to join a global community of riders who share a passion for the brand and the lifestyle it represents. Conclusion. The Harley-Davidson Street Series isn't just a beginner's motorcycle, it's an entry into a legendary world of motorcycling. Its combination of unique style, manageable power, urban practicality, and customization options makes it an exceptional choice for riders embarking on their motorcycling journey. Harley-Davidson's commitment to excellence, tradition, and rider camaraderie shines through in the Street Series, positioning it as an outstanding option in the world of motorcycles. Riding a Harley-Davidson Street isn't just a mode of transportation, it's an opportunity to embrace the open road, connect with like-minded riders, and experience the freedom and spirit that Harley-Davidson is renowned for. With this captivating machine, Harley-Davidson has created an ideal starting point for riders who are eager to become a part of the storied Harley-Davidson legacy.